Peace, y'all. It's your boy Ruger Love Money. Back with some more love money for y'all. Hey, yo, so today we're gonna talk about like beginner investing. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people feel like you need a lot of money to get into crypto. You need a lot of money to get into the stock market. You need a lot of money to get into NFTs, all that type of stuff. So today I'm gonna share a definition with y'all. Alright. So I feel like the safest way to get into any stocks or crypto or anything like that is dollar cost averaging. I like to paraphrase a lot of things, but today I'm gonna give you guys a definition. Let's go with Investopedia. All right, dollar cost averaging is an investment strategy in which an investor divides up the total amount to be invested across periodic purchases of a target asset, an effort to reduce the impact of volatility on the overall purchase. The purchases occur regardless of the asset's price at regular intervals. In effect, this strategy removes much of the detailed work of attempting to time the market in order to make purchases of equities at the best prices. Dollar cost averaging is also known as the constant dollar plan, right? So basically, what you're doing is, right, no matter what price it is, right? So these are all day candlesticks, right? So on this day, let's say it's around $35,000, right? Bitcoin's around $35,000 you buy in, and it's at $39,000 you buy in. It's at $44,000 you buy in. Doesn't matter what price you buy in because you're buying every 7 days. You know what I'm saying? You buy every week, you buy every other week. It's just you basically set it up on some. All right, I'm gonna put away $50 a week into this asset. You know what I'm saying? Or I'm gonna put away $200 out of every check into this asset. You know what I'm saying? That's the best way to invest into these cryptocurrencies because none of them go straight up. So you're not thinking, oh, I'm about to get in here and get rich, and then we're all billionaires and now we're all broke again. Nah, fuck that shit. You know what I'm saying? Come in with a consistent plan. You know what I'm saying? If you check out my other video where I'm talking about what coins to get into, I say go look up some of these top coins, find out what they do, figure out which one you're rocking with the most, you know what I'm saying? And then start to invest into it. And this is the way that you would start to invest into it. You start dollar cost averaging in, right? So if I'm looking at BNB and this is what I want to buy, you know what I'm saying? I'm like, yo, this is great. I found out BNB is where most of the new coins are releasing. Their transaction fees are super low. You know what I'm saying? The financing, the DeFi on there is crazy. You want to do some long term shit. It's a 47% increase. You know what I'm saying? From a year ago. And you got to understand with inflation, right? Let's say the inflation rate is 7%, 6%, like they say it is, even though it could be high, it could be low, whatever. Most likely higher, right? Your buying power is down 7%. So when you come to the store, you go to the grocery store, you go to the mall, um get gas, anything you do, you know what I'm saying? Your buying power is overall 7% less than it was a year ago today. Right? So when you see a 47% increase on an asset, you gotta understand that you just made, like, even if you take the 7% off from inflation, you made 40% increase on your money. Now, if you had to sit in the bank, you would have lost 6%, and that's it. So it's important you start to find out what these protocols or different coins and stuff do, right? Different companies do. That's what they really are. So once you find out what they do, you can decide, yo, I'm rocking with this. I see a lot of innovation. I'm keeping up with their with all their news and everything like that. You know what I'm saying? You're actually using some of these platforms. I use Polygon, I use crypto.com. You know what I'm saying? I use Solana, I use BNB. That's why I'm so convicted on some of these coins, you know what I'm saying? I use Cardano, and that's why I'm not so convicted on that one. Even though, you know what I'm saying, a lot of people rocking with it. I'm not. BNB, Solana, Avalanche, Luna. These are joints I'm talking about, man. Polkadot, Polygon, Crypto.com. That's all you're really gonna need. And I'm looking at some other stuff, Phantom, VeChain. There's a bunch of other ones out there. But stay on topic, right? Dollar cost averaging, you know what I'm saying? Go find out what's popping, find out what's lit, stick to what you know, you know what I'm saying? And you gain to know new things. You can know a new thing every day if you're looking up new stuff every day. So, you know what I'm saying? Stick to what you know, but learn and know something what I'm saying, or try to know something new every day. So now you can stick to more shit. You feel what I'm saying? Like a fly. Hey yo, but yeah, man, I wanted to touch on that. That's it. Outpace inflation. You know what I'm saying? You put your money in the shoebox, you put your money in the bank. You know what I'm saying? It's not going to double up and triple up like some of these coins are. You know what I'm saying? At one point, I don't know how much Matic was at. $2, 250. What did it go to $2? Something like that. So around the time it was around $2, it was up 14% from the year before, right? From exactly 52 weeks before, up 14,000%. So imagine you would have put your money in there. You know what I'm saying? You would have put your money there. You would have been sturdy, right? 14,000%, right? If you had $1,000, it'd be $140,000. You understand what I'm saying? You put $1,000 in Matic last year when it got to around its highest point, which was earlier in 2021. You have $140,000 back on your $1,000 investment. So why would you put it in the bank when you know what I'm saying, this joint is making transactions so much smoother in this decentralized world. You know what I'm saying? It's like it's like Ethereum's little smoother, faster, cooler brother. You know what I'm saying? Like, come on, man. A lot of people taking him off the bench because Big Bro be coming with a lot of shit. You understand what I'm saying? Like, look into these things though, man. I don't want to give y'all too much, and y'all say, "Oh, I got you hyped about this coin, and you went and did this, and that." Nah, bro. Do your own research. DYOR. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, gain new knowledge, man, so you can stick to more of what you know. And I think that's all I got for y'all today, man. Follow me everywhere. Yo, if you want NFTs, you want to learn about NFTs, you don't know nothing about NFTs, I got an NFT 101 course. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to leave the link below, right? Tap that link. You'll see a bunch of stuff pop up. You can check out my portfolio, my NFT portfolio. You can check out my ebook store. You join the community there. You know what I'm saying? You can do a bunch of stuff, yo. So tap with that link below. And I'm going to definitely get with you guys, man. Peace and love. I want y'all to get a piece of this, man. Get a piece of this money. Oh yeah, and same thing goes for the stock market. You know what I'm saying? Rock with Apple. I love Apple. You know what I'm saying? Like I said in one of my other videos, the market cap is bigger than the entire crypto market, all put together. So definitely rock with Apple. Look into the companies and stuff that's in the stock market that are investing in crypto or going to be a part of building out this infrastructure. So all the people that are making VR headsets, I think KOPN is a good one, and it's a bunch of stuff. Anything metaverse related, yo, you might want to put a couple dollars into that. All right, so it's Mara, MARA, Riot, MSTR, MicroStrategy, um, Can, and then we have HUT, SOS. Okay, those are just a couple. You know what I'm saying? Those are just Bitcoin related stocks. I want y'all to do some good research on those. Get into the other metaverse related. You know what I'm saying? Got meta platforms. They got a bunch of stuff out there that you could invest in that'll get you right. You know what I'm saying? Because we got this new infrastructure being built. I'm gonna share my screen one more time with y'all. I can show you this last part. You know what I'm saying? Another reason why you might want to get into crypto. You know what I'm saying? What's my man name? Warren Buffett. So looking at some lingo like investor lingo and stuff, stock market lingo, crypto lingo, so you can understand some of these things that I might mention or other people might mention. You know what I'm saying? He's kind of, one of those dudes like people follow. He's the big money that people will follow. And it was early investors in some of the companies that people don't even know about. So as you can see, it says years after calling Bitcoin rat poison, Warren Buffett just invested $1 billion in a crypto-friendly bank. You know what I'm saying? If you follow my pages on Instagram, my Love Money Society page, my joint, you might have seen me post this, right? So there were once words of Warren Buffett, the infamous investor, Sage of Omaha, my bad, for knowing things before the rest of the market. Now his money is saying otherwise. Cause shit, he's one of the last people getting in crypto. Mr. Supposed to know early. Specifically, his company Berkshire Hathaway has bought $1 billion worth of stock and a digital bank that focuses on crypto. Berkshire Hathaway made its crypto investment public with the SEC filing earlier this week. It revealed that Buffett's company had purchased $1 billion in shares of Nubank, a digital bank based in Brazil, the largest of its kind in Latin America. All right, so Nubank is a so-called neobank, a type of bank that operates differently from the traditional banking system by not relying exclusively on physical locations and instead focuses primarily on digital services. The digital bank's investment unit, New Invest, allows users to put money in a Bitcoin exchange traded fund (ETF), tapping a financial space that Berkshire's leaders have shown little love for. Berkshire's chairman and CEO, has not refrained in the past from calling cryptocurrency rat poison and an unproductive asset that has no unique value at all. Charlie Munger, Buffett's longtime partner and vice chairman of Berkshire Hathaway, has also hardly been one to shy away from voicing his strong opinions on cryptocurrency. Munger recently stated that he wished cryptocurrency had never been invented. Sound like a little ass girl. You know what I'm saying? Wish she never been invented. And has even indicated that he would not want any crypto trader marrying into his family. Yo, this dude is looking at cryptocurrency like black people. Hey, yo, so Munger has a particular distaste for Bitcoin, the most popularly traded cryptocurrency, once calling it disgusting and contrary to the interests of civilization. Munger has supported China's decision to ban Bitcoin trading in the country and has called on the U.S. to take similar measures. Now, these dudes are super mad because the decentralized world was created basically to take down the centralized banking system, you know what I'm saying? And kind of stick it to the man, like, you know what I'm saying? Fuck your loans. We get our own loans from ourselves. You know what I'm saying? Fuck paperwork. Fuck y'all doing fake scams and fake hacks and taking all our money and shit, whatever you want to call it. All these things are possible because there's one person or one company, one entity in control of a lot of shit. Right? So that's why they're so mad about this stuff. You understand what I'm saying? Chinese correcting the decision, which is to simply ban them, he once said. But even though its owners have expressed their personal disdain for cryptocurrencies and the crypto market, Berkshire Hathaway's latest investment in Nubank is not the first time a conglomerate has dabbled in the market. All right, so whatever. They bought all that shit last summer. And oh yeah, this is what I wanted to get to, right? As Berkshire was upping its investments into the crypto sphere last year, the company has also dropped some of its other more traditional financial assets. In the same SEC filing that showed the $1 billion investment in Nubank, Berkshire revealed that it had dropped over $3 billion in its shares of Visa and MasterCard. So you mean to tell me Berkshire Hathaway, Warren Buffett's company, you know what I'm saying, that's supposed to know everything before it pops, right? He took $3 billion out of Visa and MasterCard, right? These are companies that are linked to the traditional banking system and traditional digital exchange of currencies, right? This is this is this is the old way of digital money. Credit cards and debit cards came around, same type of shit, except it was linked to the banks. It was linked to credit. It was linked to a bunch of extra shit. You feel me? That keeps them in power, right? Centralized banking systems. All right. So he took $3 billion out of Visa and Mastercard to invest into one of the biggest um, digital digital cryptocurrency friendly banks in the Latin America, right? So they took $3 billion out of Visa and Mastercard to go put it in a non-traditional, right? Put $1 billion of that, put $2 billion back in the cut, whatever they did with it. They took $1 billion and put it into a digital cryptocurrency friendly bank, which is one of the biggest banks in Latin America. Come on, man. Now, if I ain't thinking that this shit about to be real, or that you should get a couple dollars into some of this cryptocurrency, start putting a little buck a week to the side or something, y'all bugging. You know what I'm saying? You gotta follow big money, follow smart money. And they took a little while, they was dragging their feet, but they dropped the B on it. You know what I'm saying? You know what's gonna happen to that B in the next year? You know what I'm saying? depending on how they distribute their funds back to them, or just how jiggy that new bank gets, man. Ayo, so peace, y'all. This video went a little longer than I expected to go, closing in on 20 minutes. So hope y'all enjoy the rest of y'all day. I hope y'all go apply some of this information that y'all learned. You know what I'm saying? And if not, I hope it's just priming you for you to take off. You know what I'm saying? Even though we don't like procrastination, but if it ain't the time, it ain't the time, man. But yo, it's your boy. Peace. Stay tapped in with me. Like, subscribe, all that. Run my shit up there. Peace.